Hey guys, welcome to Kunes RV. My name is JJ Weimer. I'm here to show you a Gulf Stream Envision. This model is called 21TBD. Who's this camper for? It's for people that want, to tow something small, but still want that slide out. The slide out, believe it or not, only adds about 400 pounds to the overall weight, which allows you to tow this with many small vehicles. The other nice feature about people who are towing smaller units is the tandem axle. So tandem axle meaning 2 axles, 4 tires. It's really will ride nice, especially if you're traveling across the country and you want that little extra width with the slide. A couple of key features about this unit. It is fiberglass, so corrugated metal works great for the people that want that little extra protection, and some people say it's easier to clean. This is all fiberglass. You have all the key features, including a power front jack, power awning, and solar feature to add a solar panel anytime, or you don't have to. It also has slam latches. So, these are all just upgrades. So this actually lifts up with a magnet out of the way. And then these are a lot more durable than those little tabs that you have on other units. It also makes it more secure because it's keyed to your unit, not the 751 standard baggage door key. There's tons of space in here for lawn chairs or grills or whatever you have you're taking camping. The solar port that I talked about is here. It is solar ready. So what that means simply is that the manufacturer, they've made it economical and easy to add a solar system. Your options are add it to the roof, or even easier yet, you can just get like a briefcase style solar panel. Folds up nice and neat. It's 3 panels to fold out, and you just plug it in there and set it in the sun. That easy. So we're inside the 21TBD. Here's what's really unique about this. As you can tell, this is a humongous bed. I think it's over the size of a king, which is really, really cool. Now, this is what makes it unique. Bear with me with all the plastic. That stuff's obviously going away and you'll have a bedspread. But what this makes into is 2 twins, just like that. And then you can also make it into one large bed by fitting this piece in and putting these cushions in place. And you got one huge bed in a small unit. So just kind of panning, trying to show you, the best is to actually visit here and take a look at it yourself. But to try to give you a perspective, this is the slide out from here to here. Again, only 400 pounds adding to the weight of the unit, but it gives you all this extra floor space you normally wouldn't have. And it's still extremely lightweight. So you do have the dinette that makes into a bed, that's extra sleeping, the kitchen. You do have not a mini fridge, but a really good sized fridge and freezer. And then of course your entertainment system here. Brackets already up here, so all you gotta do is buy your TV, stick it on there. Plug-ins are all here with the stereo. And in the back, this is a rear bath unit. So what's nice about this small unit is that you're not sacrificing storage in the bathroom. You have spot for towels and spot for your things that you're gonna use in the restroom. So I just want to point out a couple more features. There's a lot I've skipped just due to time constraints. This is cold water only, but you do have water access. There's a little sprayer that's connected onto here with a garden style hose. Your power cord, your TV and satellite hookups, city water connection. When you have water on the site, you just plug in your hose onto this. And then this is a key feature called the black tank flush. So this is a feature that does really 2 things. It will keep your sensors nice and clean so that they work right, because that's usually what fails in RVs, because there's stuff that gets stuck on it in your black tank. So this will keep your sensors working correctly, and it also will keep smell down. It's going to get it all nice and clean. When you didn't have this feature, the old way to do it was you bought a wand, it's called, and you kind of went around your toilet and you moved it around. You had to hook up a hose inside of your unit and run it through, and if the hose was dirty, then you got dirt in the inside of your camper. You don't have to do that anymore. This is a standard hose connection. Every dump station has water access, so you just hook on your hose onto here, make sure your valve is open, with your sewer hose, and then you turn on the water, and what's happening is inside of your black tank, which is your sewer tank, it's spraying that down nice and clean. It's getting all the sides nice and clean, and just making sure that it works correctly. Summing this up, this is a great unit here at Kunes. We have many more like it. There's different layouts, different models, but Gulf Stream Envision, awesome little tandem axle if you're looking for, hey, maybe single axle is nice, but you want to go to that next step with a tandem axle, and you don't want one without a slide. This only adds, again, about 400 pounds to your unit, and you have all that extra space in there. Come see us at Kunes RV. My name's JJ Weimer.